Hi, welcome back. Today promises to be mind-blowing. I'll be showing you how to spy on your competitor's ad, and guess what? It will be 100% legal. So, if you've been wasting money before now running Facebook and Instagram ads, at the end of this video, you'll be able to know the right things to do, the right ad copy, the right landing page and everything. You see what your competitors who are doing very well, who are doing the same business with you, who are running ads and are getting it right. You see what they are doing. You gain some inspiration from that. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you actionable content on how to grow your business through online marketing. If this sounds beneficial, consider subscribing.
So welcome guys. So without wasting much of your time, just go to your address bar and enter this .com/ads. Yeah, so that's it. I'll drop a link to this in the description. Okay, just wait for it to load up. Just wait for it to load up. Wait for it to load up. Okay, so it has loaded. You choose your ad category. Interested in all. So let's say you're into skincare, so you can now see all the people that are running skincare ads, right? So just click. Okay, so you can see, come and see people. Okay, you can see this one, Motoyo Beauty Glow. See her primary text is using. He said no magic in skincare products, especially when it's strictly natural products. So you see what she did. You see what she did, and she's directing these people to her Instagram DM. Okay, so this is another one. This one started running since September 6th 2021 and it's still active. All the ads will be active because I chose active ads. So this one, you understand, so this one too is running her own Verso. Okay, so I scroll down, I will see I'm seeing this one again. So this one is Duchess Glamour. This one started running September 7th. So obviously we are in what, this one just started running, so we are in, like, I'm shooting this video on September 10th, so it's just 3 days, so you can't really tell if this ad was successful because it's just very new. Okay, so you see this one, Dr. Labo skincare product. This one has been running since, was launched in August. Okay, so you can see what your competitors are doing. This one is simply, it shots the video, just primary text like that. So you can click and see details. For example, I want to see details about this one, so I'll click. So you can see, want to have the best of skin. Here are 4 simple things to do. So this one is now giving you like a tip and then redirecting you to their page to like the page. So this person is running for page likes. Do you understand? So that's it. So the person just put her face and a little write up. Do you understand? So that's it. So I have spied on my competitor like this. So you can do that, you can do that and do that for more. So look at this one. This one was launched, Ninja Skincare was launched October 24th. So let's spy more, let's see more details about this ad. Okay, so you can read her primary text. She's saying proactive didn't work, exposed didn't work, Accutane didn't work, drugstore brands didn't work. 99% of brands contain oils and fillers meant to prolong their life shelves, but those oils and fillers hinder the active ingredients' ability to penetrate the skin, rendering them less effective than they should be. Okay, so she has just given you, and then she's redirecting you to her landing page. Okay, that's the learn more. So she's redirecting you to her landing page. So she's just a picture of herself, just like that, a picture of herself, then the primary text you've seen for yourself. Okay, so you could do this you can take your time and do all this before you run your ads. You can just spy on your computer, you can see the ad cover, you can see the primary text they are using. You can even click and check their landing page. Yeah, so let's even check her landing page. Let's see what she has there. She understands. So we can get some inspiration from this actually. So this is what she has here, and then when I'm done, she wants me to enter my email, my name, and how would you like us to contact you. Then I submit. Do you understand me? So this is it, guys. This is it. So I've just spied on her. I've gotten some inspiration out